Today we're introducing the Outdoor Cat House Weatherproof Feral Kitty Shelter, a perfect winter condo for your feline friends. This spacious cat house measures 39.1 inches in length, 18.5 inches in width, and 19.1 inches in height, providing ample room for 2 to 3 cats or other small animals. Designed with your pet's safety in mind, it features one entrance and a safety escape door, allowing your cats to quickly exit if needed. The large opening roof not only makes cleaning a breeze but also allows you to easily place a cat pad inside for added comfort. Constructed with a waterproof asphalt roof, PVC strips, and plastic feet, this shelter ensures your pets stay dry and warm, protecting them from rain, snow, and harsh sunlight. Assembly is a cinch with pre-drilled holes, allowing you to set up this cozy haven in just a few simple steps. Keep your furry companions safe and comfortable this winter with this thoughtfully designed outdoor cat house. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.